Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple tutorial on how you can make a bokeh video background in CapCut. So here I'm using a CapCut mobile, and to start you can just duplicate your videos like this and click on the first video, and let's make it as overlay. So click on this overlay button and remove the background of the overlay. Click on the remove background and use the auto removal. Just wait until it finishes. Okay, so now the background of the overlay is removed. Now to have that bokeh video background, you can just use the CapCut video effects. So go to effects and click on the lens category, then just select this blur effect. Okay, here you can adjust the intensity of the blur, so you can just lower it to make it more natural. You can just use around 10 to 15. Okay, I'm going to just use 10. Click on a check icon. Don't forget to make it or adjust it for the whole video. So now you have that bokeh or blur video background. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.